Hello there and welcome. In this lesson, I'll show you how to withdraw money from PayPal. So first of all, make sure that you are on PayPal, whether on the mobile app or the web. So in PayPal right here, you have two options. You have the first options, which is basically to withdraw to your card. And to do that, all you have to do is simple. So the first method is I will hit my wallet. And then inside my wallet, I'll click send payments and then transfer to your bank. Right here, you can choose the account you want to transfer from to the account and then click on next. And then here you will be able to choose the card. So this is basically the fees are already mentioned here. This means that what you're going to send from your PayPal is going to be received in your credit card or your debit card. So example, in this bank account, the fee is $5 and here the fee is almost $4.8. So, and it will take also 1 to 7 days and fees also may apply. So here, this is instant and this is standard. So this will take typically in minutes and this will take 1 to 7 days. So you'll click link an eligible debit or credit card here. And once you are here, you'll enter the information. And if that card is eligible for the late transfer, then it will show right here. And that's pretty much it for sending to your card. If you want to send to your bank, it's pretty much the same thing as well. You will click send payments, you will click transfer to your bank, and then you will choose the wallet. If you don't have a linked card or bank, we have done a video about it in the previous videos. Go back to one of those. You will find linked card or a bank. Click on it, and then you'll be able to follow the steps to link your card or bank. That's about it for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.